This has been something that I've been wanting to do for a while. If y'all aren't the OGs of my channel, you'll know that I made a level layout called EZODIA. Now I'm just gonna search up EZODIA on my channel because I know that it can copyright my own channel, my own video from my channel. Okay, so this is the first EZODIA preview. Bro, what is this music? Now we're just gonna call it EZODIA because this level was not finished, but it is my best layout I've ever made. Anyways, after that I started getting to work. Sadly the screen froze, but the song is thermodynamics, and then I started making a one-on-one replica of the actual EZODIA. Yeah, and then after that I started making decoration. I just started making simple block design. Then I started making air deco, which I actually experimented with particles. I actually like the particle parts that I put in there. But anyways, then I made some references from the old EZODIA parts that I actually decorated, from like the cubes and a ladder that I put in the old EZODIA. So yeah, I just made like normal stuff. I can't really explain. The level object count is 1,000. I crammed in a bunch of stuff. I made custom, oh yeah, I should tell you this. I made custom orb decoration. Anyways, so I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison from the old EZODIA to the new and improved EZODIA. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider smashing that like and subscribe button. And while you're at it, please share this video with one of your friends. I'm trying to go to 300 subscribers, and it would just mean a lot. Anyways, this is Zone G, zoning out. Peace!